a fast ride.
Alright, here we go on Wesley Gill's Waveswinger. I just realised this is actually the old one from Flambards. So hopefully this will be some good. Jingles on a Waveswinger, let's go.
And right now I'm currently in a hot box, but on 6 times to talk to you about all the flights always on benefits. They're always on benefit, allowing
Yes. Oh, we're so close to those trees. Holy my God.
Fantastic.
Not bad, that might be quite good fun.
Please do not move from your seat until the Waveswinger comes to a complete stop. From all of us, we hope you have enjoyed your ride with us today.